At the check-in counter. Good morning. Passport and ticket, please.
Here you go. Don't laugh at my photo.
I see. You looked very different 10 years ago.
Yes, I had hair and dreams back then.
We all changed, sir. Are you flying to London?
Yes. Please tell me the flight is on time.
Everything looks good. The flight will depart right on time.
Great, that means I have enough time for a coffee.
Weighing the luggage. Place your bag on the scale, please.
Okay. I hope gravity is weak today.
It is 25 kilos. That is over the limit.
Can I wear 3 jackets to make it lighter?
You can try, but you will sweat a lot.
Fine, I will just pay the extra fee.
That will be $60, please.
$60? Does the bag get its own seat?
Carry-on questions. Any liquids or sharp objects in your bag?
I have a small shampoo. Is that dangerous?
Only if it is bigger than 100 milliliters.
It is tiny. I borrowed it from a hotel.
Did you pack this bag yourself?
Yes, nobody touched it except my cat.
Okay, here is your boarding pass.
Thanks. I will guard it with my life.
Seat selection. Do you prefer a window or an aisle seat?
Can I sit in the cockpit with the pilot?
Absolutely not. Window or aisle?
Aisle, please. I have a small bladder.
Okay, seat 12C. It is near the front.
Is there a crying baby next to me?
I don't know, sir. It is a surprise.
I love surprises. Said no passenger ever.
Security preparation. Laptops out. Belts off. Empty your pockets.
Why are you shouting? I am scared.
We need to move fast. Take off your shoes.
But I am wearing my lucky socks.
Sir, please put the lucky socks in the tray.
Okay. I feel half naked.
You still have your watch on.
Sorry. I forgot time exists.
Metal detector beep. Walk through, please. Step back, please.
I swear I am not a robot.
Do you have coins in your pocket?
Oh wait. I found a coin.
Put it in the tray and try again.
Not again. Why is it still alarming?
Check your back pocket.
My phone. I am a disaster today.
Expensive airport water.
Excuse me, how much is this bottle of water?
That one is $5, sir.
$5? Is it holy water?
It is just regular spring water.
I can buy a house for that price.
Welcome to the airport economy.
I will just drink from the tap in the bathroom.
That is your choice. Enjoy. Boarding the plane. Welcome on board. May I see your pass?
Here. I am exhausted already.
Your seat is 12C. Down the aisle to the right.
Thank you. Oh no, the overhead bin is full.
You can put your bag under the seat.
But where will my legs go?
You can put your legs around the bag.
Yoga class starts now, I guess.
Tight seat space.
Excuse me, miss? This seat is shrinking.
No, sir, you are just tall.
My knees are hitting the seat in front.
Please try to sit upright.
The person behind me is kicking my chair.
It is a kid. He is just playing.
He is practicing karate on my back.
I will ask him to stop gently. Safety demonstration. Please pay attention to the safety video.
I am watching. In case we fall.
Sir, put your phone away, please.
I was just posting a goodbye status.
Please be positive. We are just flying.
Okay. Phone is off. I am ready.
Make sure your seatbelt is tight.
It is tight. I can barely breathe.
Meal choice: chicken or pasta for dinner.
Which one was cooked this year?
Both are fresh. The chicken is popular.
I will take the chicken then.
And something to drink?
Do you have tomato juice?
Yes. Why does everyone drink that on planes?
Science says it tastes better up here.
Asking for a blanket.
Excuse me. Miss? I am freezing here.
Yes, sir? Is the air too cold?
I feel like a frozen fish.
Let me find you a blanket.
Please hurry before I turn into ice.
Here you go. A nice warm blanket.
Thank you. You saved my life.
Let me know if you need anything else. Turbulence fear. Please sit down. The plane is shaking.
Oh my God. Are we falling?
No, it is just some wind.
My tomato juice is shaking too.
Hold your cup firmly.
I hate roller coasters. This is worse.
It will be over in a minute.
I will never fly again. Maybe.
Bathroom line.
Is the toilet vacant now?
No, there is a line of 3 people.
Why does everyone go after dinner?
Biology, sir. Just wait your turn.
I will do a little dance to hold it.
Please don't dance in the aisle.
Okay, I will stand still like a statue.
Thank you. It will be free soon. Landing applause. Cabin crew, prepare for landing.
We are on the ground. We made it.
Please stay seated until we stop completely.
Woohoo! Bravo, pilot. Great job.
Sir, please stop shouting. People are looking.
But I am happy to be alive.
We are happy too. Now sit down.
Okay. I will clap inside my head.
Immigration line.
Look at this line. It never ends.
Please have your documents ready.
I need a coffee and a bed.
Next person. Step forward, please.
Hello. I am here. Finally.
Passport, please. You look tired.
I look like a zombie, I know.
Just don't bite anyone, okay? Immigration interview. Why are you visiting our country?
To eat fish and chips and sleep.
How long will you stay?
2 weeks. Or until I run out of money.
Where is your hotel booking?
Here on my phone. Battery is low.
Okay. Welcome to London.
Thanks. I need to charge my phone.
Baggage claim.
Is this carousel number 4?
Yes, sir. The bags are coming out.
I see a black bag. That is mine.
Sir, that is a pink bag.
Oh, my eyes are tired. You are right.
Please check the tag before taking it.
Ah, here comes my ugly suitcase.
Good. Don't lose it again. Customs declaration. Do you have any food to declare?
I have some cookies from my mom.
Fresh food is not allowed here.
Can I eat them right now?
If you eat them all, you can pass.
Okay, watch me. Nom nom nom.
You are eating very fast.
Done. No more cookies. Can I go?
Exit and taxi.
I feel a bit sick from the cookies.
The exit is straight ahead, sir.
Where can I find a taxi?
Follow the yellow signs outside.
Is it raining outside?
Yes, it rains every day here.
Great. Welcome to my vacation.
Enjoy your stay. Goodbye.